Let's go get this man some food.
You know what we're doing today? Exciting fucking day. It's finally the day that I built the paper airplane that I've been talking about for a while now. Anyway, I have to go pick up my friend AZ from his house. I'm just leaving now. I'm supposed to be by his house by 10. It's like 5 minutes till 10. It's like a 20-minute drive, but it's fine. Okay, it's all Gucci. I don't know how long this is going to take, and I have somewhere else to be at 2, and it's like 10 o'clock right now, something like that. And we got to figure out the dimensions and stuff, and we got to figure out a place to throw this off so like this vlog can be done by Monday. I just posted one for Sunday. It was kind of short. It was kind of lacking. Hey, this is how you fucking drive right here, boy. This is exactly, you got mismatched shocks and the moccasins. This is called don't give two fucks. You know what I'm saying? This is called directly. I don't give two fucks about how I fucking look. I love how he only is carrying out a banana. Yo, you hit his vape. He has his banana in his vape. Dude, why do you have your banana in a vape?
Because I'm hungry and I need my nicotine. I'm gonna just run inside and grab my hoodie.
Fucking banana.
Hey,
Anyway.
You want to stop somewhere for breakfast?
Breakfast?
Yeah, I'm hungry, so.
Okay. Alright, where could we go?
I don't know, like fucking Taco Bell. We can go to like wherever, anywhere like that.
Yeah. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. We are fucking building the paper airplane. I got all the stuff in the back. I got the duct tape and the construction paper. Okay. Hopefully we can make this at least like a good 10 feet wingspan, which is pretty big by itself. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna find a place where to throw it off, and we're gonna throw this bitch off. But first, this dude gotta eat. You know what I'm saying? I don't even eat breakfast.
I need my munchies.
Exactly. We're over here at Good. I forgot where we at.
Good vibes, juice.
Yeah, we're in like downtown Dunedin or something, right? And we're getting Good Vibes juice early in the morning because we need some fuel before we go build this fucking big ass paper airplane. I love how I'm wearing slippers and like mismatched socks. You know, this is dedicated Sunday. Good vibes. There are plenty of good vibes in here. What am I gonna get? I don't think I'm gonna get anything. AZ said his juice tastes like shit.
It just tastes like the peel of an orange.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Like the citrusy flavor part?
It's like the peel of it.
Okay, this thing tastes not the best. I've tasted way better, especially in other places like Bonaire, one of the islands south of America.
Wow, you go to Bonaire to get your exotic smoothie.
Yes, I do. We're balling out here. You see these shoes?
Yeah,
That
I fly to Paris to get my breakfast, to get my croissants, and then for lunch I fly over to Germany to get some sausage.
That's exactly what happens. But you see these shoes? That's a.
Hey, cool, open your fucking car.
Wait. Limited edition. You can only open it with the keys.
It's for safety.
It's for safety measures, exactly. The thing is, we got this stuff. We got the transparent duct tape, right? And we got 100 sheets of construction paper. So the idea was that I was originally going to put 20 by 20, you know what I'm saying? So we can get fill it in, But he told me that wouldn't work. And he's like, what's 20 times 20? I actually don't know. I think it's like something. I'll put it on the screen. Anyway.
400.
Huh?
400.
400, but
I think so.
He said we can only do 10 by 10 because it equals 100, and he's correct. Videoception. Watching a video of my video of another dude watching one of my videos. Okay, Vape Nation over here is vaping. But the thing is, okay, we got all the stuff. Okay, we got the duct tape. Now all we have to do is start lining these green papers up across the driveway because it's 10 by 10. So it's going to be 10 this way and 10 this way. We're going to start lining them up. The wind is not really good. Notice that it's not big right now, so that's good. So the papers don't blow away. So let's start doing that. we have to go to the store and run and get some duct tape because we ran out of duct tape. But we're gonna come back and finish this shit. Trust me. This Brody's a perfectionist. And I'm like, yo, we gotta hurry the fuck up because I have later shit to do. It's gonna be $8. Jesus fucking Christ for some duct tape. The other one's $5. I want like super good duct tape. Hey, quality content. You better thank me for this content. Anyway, we have to go check this out. I even parked the car. AZ's watching it. Hopefully I can get out in like 5 minutes, 2 minutes, and run back and do this shit. This is what we're checking out. This took 2 seconds. I got it. All right, let's go back. Let's go back home. This thing cost $8, AZ. Damn. For fucking duct tape. The other one at the arts and crafts stores at Michelle's, or whatever the fuck, what's it called? Cost it $5. What the fuck? You know what? And the girl was talking to me, and then she was like, "You building the world's biggest airplane?" I'm like, "Fuck yeah, fuck yeah." We literally just finished doing the first set. So the thing is, we think we just need to speed tape the top, and then we can just fold these two halves and start folding it like a normal paper airplane. And then we can make the biggest fucking paper airplane in the fucking world. We did it, boys! Are you excited?
No.
I'm fucking excited.
Hold on. Take a little bit because you'll go. Let me go first. Okay. Oh, we should have saved the tape, and then we can tape it and hold it. Fuck. Wait. So you can't meet the bottom because it's crooked.
Oh yeah.
Here, he messed up.
No.
I told him yesterday. He called me. He's like, "Hey, you ready? I got all the paper and shit to build the plane." I was like, "Did you get sticks? Because it needs to be sturdy." And he's like, "Nah, it'll be fine."
It will be.
And now guess what? Guess what?
What?
You're wrong.
You're a bitch. Yeah, look what happened. We attached to the car. It's gonna fly. It's gonna fly. It's gonna fly, right? So I'm gonna get in my car and we're gonna move it. He's gonna help give you the camera.
I'm gonna give them the camera. This is a bad idea. I told him. I was like, "It's not gonna work." He's like, "Nah, it'll be fine." I was gonna get caught on this. What is this fool doing? Hold on, let me pull it over more.
Okay. Ready?
All right, go. Fly, birdie! World's biggest airplane. Oh yeah. Flawless. Perfect.
I would say that myth is busted.
Yeah.
Yo, $25 down the fucking drain, bitch. Quality content.
Hey, family friendly.
Hey,
you gotta bleep that out.
Sorry, female dog. Anyway, put it in the street. We're gonna come back.
All right. Top speed run. Connor's car.
Quality